In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 8th September 2021 and the day would be Wednesday. Now looking at Nifty 50 chart, you can see that this high has been maintained, and as I said in earlier video that this candle showed exhaustion, and that's what it is being seen here, that this candle is showing exhaustion. And the main contributor of this today, Nifty has fallen a bit, and the main contributor of this negativity is the IT stocks. You can go and see that every IT stock is down, so IT is the major drag for the day. Now going forward, this is the low that needs to be sustained, that is 17,200, and the top is still 17,500 or 17,525. So Nifty is now expected to trade between this as a ceiling and this as the floor. Now coming to 1 hour chart, you can see that it is well trading in a range. Now as long as this range is maintained, we can see some consolidation in Nifty with 17,450 on the higher side and 17,300 on the lower side. Now if tomorrow Nifty opens flat within this candle, then chances are that it may come down, take support somewhere here and be volatile. And if the fall comes in some other sectors and it drags Nifty, then 17,300 is going to act as a good support on the downside, and today's high 17,440 would be the resistance. So this is the range in which Nifty is expected to trade. If it opens gap up, anywhere, then 17,350 is going to act as support and the resistance would be still 17,440. And if it opens somewhere anywhere gap down, then 17,280 is going to be the support and 17,380 is going to be the resistance. So it is expected to trade within this range. Now looking at Banknifty, you can see that yesterday it was some negativity and today it went further, but somewhere around 36,150 the buying came, and that's what I said, that 36,200 is going to act as a support. So it went to 36,150 and from there buyer came and took it higher. So now these levels 36,600, 36,800 will act as resistance in the coming days, and 36,800 is going to act as a strong resistance, above which 37,000 will be the resistance. And on the downside 36,000 and 36,200, these are going to act as support. Now coming back to the 1 hour chart, you can see that it fell and then went up and it came down. So you can see that from here it is making a lower high lower low formation, and for further fall this low needs to be crossed. So 36,150, below this level the selling will actually come, and above this 37,100 level there would be exact buying. But from here this is going to act as support, so we can expect Banknifty to be range bound between 36,100 on the downside and 36,900 on the upside. 36,100 on the downside and 36,900 on the upside. Now tomorrow if Banknifty opens flat, then we can expect it to fall further and these levels to be tested again. So on the downside, 36,150 is going to act as support, and on the upside 36,880 is going to act as resistance. So even if Bank Nifty opens gap up, then this resistance will be tested, and on the downside then 36,450 would act as support. If it opens gap down, then 36,450, 36,500 will act as resistance, and 36,150 will act as support. So depending, this is the range 36,880 and 36,150, depending on where it opens. If it opens flat, then this is the range we can expect. If it opens gap up, then 36,450 could be a support and 36,880 could be resistance. If it opens gap down, then 36,150 could be the support and 36,455, 36,500 could be the resistance. So it is expected to be volatile within this range. Now the first stock to trade is LIC Housing Finance. Now you can see that it has went up, made a higher high formation, and it's making an inside candle every time it is trying to go up. We can expect it to go higher above this level. Above 426 we are going to buy, with 424 as a stop loss and 1:2 as the target. The next stock is Ambuja Cement. Now this stock is trading with huge volatility, and from here you can see that a 7 bottom candle has been formed, and then a small inside candle has formed. Now if this high is taken out, then we can go long above 443 with 2-point stop loss and 1:2 target on the higher side. The next stock is Larsen and Toubro. You can see that after such a big move, it has fallen and all these gains is lost, and it fell further. Now a small inside candle has been formed. If this low is crossed on the downside, then we can go short below 1680 with 5 to 8 point as stop loss and 1:2 as the target. The next stock is HCL Tech. Now look at the negativity. It fell, it broke this low, faced resistance here, consolidated, then fell again and making inside candle. It has fallen again and just resting here. And as I said, that IT is the major drag that dragged Nifty today. So if this low is crossed, then we can go short below 1180 with a stop loss of 5 to 7 points and 1:2 as the target. So I hope this video helped. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.